day 730 of quarantine. These are my April favourites. We're doing it very much ISO style. I've got my coziest tracksuit top on. I've got my home hair, like I've got just my natural thing going on. Got my cup of tea, and we're going to go ahead and, like I said, talk about a whole bunch of products that have just made my ISO life even better. There's not a lot of makeup because I haven't been trying a lot of makeup, a lot of new stuff, but also I haven't been wearing so much. It's been pretty minimal. I've been really focusing on skincare though. So there's actually only 2 pieces of makeup. The first one is the Hello Fab Bendy Avocado Concealer from First Aid Beauty. This remained in its box for quite a while. I've had a few of these and I really, really enjoy them, and they're great for days where you don't wear a lot of makeup because they're sort of like, they're not full coverage, but they just blend in really well, and you don't end up, sometimes when I put just concealer on under my eyes, I end up looking like I've got panda eyes, like 2 rings of white, and this just blends in really well with your natural skin. You know, it gives you a little bit of coverage, but also keeps things looking fresh and kind of not cakey or anything like that. So that's one of my favorites this month. Or last month. The other makeup favourite was sent to me, and it's a blush by Clarins. It's one of their Jolly blushes, and it's in this shade Rose. What is it? Cheeky Rose. And when I first got it, because I'm so into like peachy tones right now, as you can probably see, I was like, oh, this is going to be a really aging colour. But it's actually a very, very sheer, like a very, it looks a lot more pigmented there than it actually goes onto the cheeks. But it's a very, very sheer kind of glowy blush, and it ends up giving you this almost like translucent just flush of colour. So it's not, I was worried it was going to be very aging on me because I find that deep pinks make me look a little bit older than I am. But this ended up just looking really, really beautiful, and I've worn it almost every single day. I'd be really interested in trying some more of these shades because it's the first time I've tried a Clarins blush, and it's beautiful. Alright, next one's a bit of a funky item. So, as you may know, I have been on a bit of a natural deodorant kick, and I found with most of the natural deodorants they work okay at first, and then after a couple of weeks it's almost like my body becomes immune to them and I start getting stanky again. So the one that's lasted the longest for me is this one here. It's by Sarah's Day. It's called the Pity Party. It's the first one that I've used that's actually like a paste rather than a like stick. The sticks I find are okay, but a lot of them have this very, very thick texture that ends up like chunking off. And it's actually happened to me before where I've been wearing like a singlet top just at home or whatever, and I raise my arm and a bit of chunk of deodorant falls off. So this is the first one that I've used, like I said, like this, and what I do is I just grab my thumbnail and skip a little bit out, and just after I've had my shower in the evening, and I'll rub it in almost like a lotion, and then in the morning I apply just a little bit more. And this keeps me smelling really good all day. Now the only thing I can say that I don't love is the scent's a little bit sweet for me. It says coconut and lime, but it's very like, when I want lime, I want like zingy lime, which is very sweet. It's almost like a cocktail kind of smell. I'll leave a link down below to where you can purchase this. And I bought this. I'm back onto my go-to face oil. So I got another one of these, and it's just a really good standard basic face oil. I find that a bottle lasts a really long time, and it's just a really nice product. A product that I haven't been using all that long, only 2 weeks, but I have been impressed by it, is the new Ole Henriksen product. You guys know that I try out most of the new Ole stuff, and it's just a really nice serum. Good size, really nice packaging, and it smells divine. It's got that same like vitamin C tablet smell that I adore. It just, you can smell the rind. It's so fresh. I haven't had any reactions to it. I've been layering it with my other products, and I found that it's a really nice product. So if you like vitamin C products, if you like Ole, then you're gonna love this. I purchased a couple of bottles actually, of the Makeup Cosmetica brush cleanser. This is a great way to keep your brushes clean in between washes, and I have almost finished this, so I've been using it really, really frequently, and it's just a great product. Almost at the end, we have the Laneige sleeping water mask. Water sleeping mask. I never get the name of these things right. This one is almost to the end. I don't know if you can see that, but I use this at night time, and I actually often keep this just beside my bed. Well, not often, I do. I keep this beside my bed on my bedside table, and I'll slather this on just before I go to sleep. So even after I've done all my skincare, sometimes I'll slather this on top as well. And it's this really like kind of tacky, very light feeling gel, which just feels amazing and it's very cooling. And in the morning, I feel like I've just got baby skin. It's just fabulous. And then last of all, where is it? Here it is. Some of you might know that I've been doing my own gel nails at home. And this color here, which looks like no color, is my favorite at the moment. It's the gelish shade of Barely Buff. It's just this kind of slightly milky color, which makes your nails just look really like clean and minimal, but also done. So I purchased this little kit, and again, I'll leave a link down below to this kit, and it's got everything you need in it to get yourself started. So it's got the stuff to remove your gel nails or your artificial nails if you have artificial nails. It's got the little, like the liquid to clean the top of your nails after you've finished, because sometimes there is a sticky like residue afterwards. It's got a mini of the foundation, a mini of the top it off. It's got the dehydrator. It's got like a, what do you call it? Cuticle oil. And then it's got an orange stick and some other bits in there that help you get your nails ready. And so if you buy this and then you buy yourself a couple of colors, you're set, as well as the light, obviously. But it's a nice little starters kit, and it's not like overwhelmingly expensive. Again, I'll leave a link down below. I bought this, and it's just, I think it's worked out really well for me. So there we go. That was a quick video because we all have things to do. I hope that you and your family are really doing well. I hope you're safe. I hope that you have enough cleaning supplies and toilet paper in your home. Reach out if you need something, if you need to chat. I'm here. This room now is my like work from home office, as well as where I do all this beauty stuff, because I'm teaching from home for a little while longer. We'll see how long. But yeah, that's it. That's the video. That's what we've got. I'll see you next time. Bye.